Exploring textiles conservation. Textiles are delicate materials composed of natural and synthetic fibers that deteriorate over time. Textile conservators study and preserve the textiles in our collection. For each artwork, conservators engage in close looking, planning, and treatment. Discovering loss and damage. Textiles can suffer from numerous types of damage. A conservator closely examines a work of art to assess its condition. They analyze a work's structural stability and look for traces of wear, areas of loss or discoloration, and other evidence of its history. This assessment may involve testing, sampling, special imaging, or other analytical tools. Textiles are sensitive to light conditions and handling. Under the microscope, this fragment shows signs of degradation. The linen, silk, and metal-wrapped threads have broken down and begun to unravel. This 17th century silk dress has split in several places due to light exposure and wear, as well as humidity and temperature. Magnification reveals the metal strip wrapped silk thread has begun to unravel. In this 19th century family record, the original inscription has been rendered nearly unreadable. The dye used to color the embroidery thread has deteriorated due to its chemical composition. Close looking can sometimes lead to surprising discoveries. Close examination of the embellishment on this Taoist priest's robe revealed areas where peacock feathers were used as embroidery thread. On this embroidered mourning sampler, much of the original cross-stitch on the dual burial monument has been lost. UV light revealed residue from the thread that once formed the letters of an inscription. In collaboration with curatorial staff, the conservator used these discoveries, along with a similar work, to reconstruct the words of the poem. The original inscription has been reconstructed digitally to use as a reference. Planning and treatment. The Taoist priest's robe has deteriorated throughout, particularly in the blue silk border. There are also losses to the gilt paper strip. Before any repairs begin, planning and documentation are a key part of leaving a clear record for future conservators. To start, the conservator carefully cleaned the surface using a vacuum with a micro attachment. Next, the conservator tests custom dyes to find the right shade to match the original silk fabric. After lots of trial and error, they find the best match and begin to create the exact shape. Then, they stitch the sheer overlay into place to protect the robe's fragile surface. Finally, they apply gold leaf to the hand-cut paper strip to fill in the gaps. When the work is repaired, it is ready to go on view in the exhibition. Through research and care, textile conservators turn back time for the beautiful textiles in our collection.